Alright guys, as you can see, basement drain's backing up. So we gotta snake it out. We're gonna be using the rigid K60 today. I still haven't got my Milwaukee back. We're using the 7/8 cable with the 3-inch cutter. That's 30 feet right there. can you go flush your toilets? Thanks. That's 45 feet. Now let's see if we pull anything back. This is that 30 mark. There's the 15. Pull back little bits of roots. Roots, wipes, roots.
That is a broken pipe.
Yeah, or at least a crack or something.
Yeah.
All right. So I think you're good now. Until next time. So, did they ever do a video inspection?
No.
I think so. Maybe not. I remember that I told them to. I told them to video from here. Because it goes out. No, they must have. Because it goes out your backyard.
Yeah, there's some. He said before there is something truck over there.
There's something there?
Yeah.
In your yard, right?
Yeah. In the yard.
Okay, so. Alright, I'm going to tell them again.
Okay, thank you so much.
I can only do.
Yeah.
If they don't do it, it's. I feel bad because it's not their place that's backing up. It's always yours. Right? It's not the management's.
Yeah.
If it was the management, they get it fixed real quick. But it's not the management's place, right? So.
Is only the problem?
What's that?
That's only the problem for the maybe blocking the pipe.
Yeah, they got a lot of problems here because just last month or the month before, we were over at 41 and 42, I think, on the corner.
Last month, huh?
Last month, I think, or the month before. But they got a lot of issues.
I think last 1 month before there's a sound there. Bloop, 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 bloop.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay, next time you hear that, did you tell them?
Don't tell them. Then I say.
Yeah, if you're hearing that, tell them.
Okay.
Because that's an early sign that it's going to back up.
Oh.
So as soon as you hear that gurgling, you let them know right away, and just tell them that your drain's backing up. That's all you got to do, and then they'll send us.
Okay.
All right. And then if it's not me, you got to tell them, yeah, it's gurgling. It's not, but it's going to back up. All right. And then they can get it. Hopefully, they'll get somebody here during the day, so it's not on the weekend and it's not after hours, right? Because after hours, there's only me working, right? Where if it's during the day, during the week, there's a lot more of us working. All right. This your garbage?
Yeah. Okay, just clean. Better.
Yeah. Give it a good sanitize, all right?